Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to order a Bybit card. In order to do this, you first have to launch your web browser and in the search bar, you will have to type bybit.com. After that, you just have to log in into your Bybit account and then you just have to hover over to finance and then you need to tap on the card option. Once done, you will be landed on this card page where you will have to fill out these details in order to apply for a card. So over here you need to click on apply now, then it will ask you to select your country of residence. So you will have to click on this option and after that you will have to click on the country. You need to make sure that not every country is eligible for it. So if your country is eligible, then it will show you whether it is supported or not. So you just have to select your country and after that you need to press the confirm button. Once done, you will be landed on this page where it will show you a bunch of different identity verification option that you can choose any of these and you can first verify your identity. Once the identity verification is done, you will be landed on the second page where you need to set your residential address. So you need to provide your address details in the second step. After that, you just have to confirm the information that you have mentioned previously, and if everything is correct, you just have to click on the submit button, and this way your application will be submitted to it, and once it is confirmed, you are going to get your Bybit card at your doorstep. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.